What up? I haven't made a video. Today I'm gonna break a 2010 Donruss Blaster box. You get 8 packs, 10 cards each pack. A die cut of Samuel Dellenberg. Team card of Pacers. And a rookie of Yuke Hanrangudy. A petition line of Greg Oden out of 999. A team card of the Magic and rookie of Ipi Udo. A die cut petition line of Andre Iguodala. Team card of the Champs, the Mavericks. And rookie of Damon James. A petition line jersey of Zach Randolph. And this number of 399. And a die cut of Minan Christic. Team checklist of the Cavaliers. A rookie of Greg Monroe. A ruby die cut of Dirk Nowitzki. And this number of 24 of 25. That's for his account. A team of the Raptors. Rookie of Ed Davis. 3 more packs to go. Gamers die cut of Kobe Bryant. Lakers. Rookie of Hassan Whiteside and Avery Brady. Die cut of Jordan Farmer. The Bucks. And Dominique Jones rookie. Die cut of Dwight Howard. And Defender, Chuck Yes. And rookie of Kevin Serpin. So the big hit was the Zach Randolph pedestrian. Not bad box. Thank you for watching, and I'm out.